Hey guys, thanks for watching Pinkat's Page. So I am making cheese fondue sauce. Have a look. So first I'm gonna cut the garlic. I'm gonna crush it first and chop it up. Low heat. I have cheese here and cornstarch. I'm gonna put it in the cheese and mix it up. Okay, looking good. So now I'm gonna put the garlic in the pot. And make sure the garlic flavor goes around the pot. It smells good. Soy milk. Okay, I'm gonna start putting the cheese in. So I'll put these in little by little. So first, this much. And stir it. Make sure all the cheese melts. Mix. So looking good. Okay, it's ready. Have a look. And I have a fry here. See. Look, it looks delicious. So if you want to know how to make these fries or know what sake I pair these with, just check out the links in the description section. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Arigato.